Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to this session. So in this session, we will discuss Maslow's hierarchy of needs theory. Okay, so as you can see, the title Maslow's hierarchy of needs theory, right? So this is our today's topic of discussion. So this theory was propounded by Dr. Abraham Maslow in 1943. So in this theory, Maslow described this need-based framework in a form of hierarchy. So this theory is also considered as a theory of hierarchy of need, right? So theory of hierarchy of need or um, so this theory is also known as what? Theory of hierarchy of needs, right? So again, Maslow's hierarchy is also applicable to other topics such as finance, economics, or even in history or criminology, right? So now we will read about Maslow, right? Who is he? Who is this person? Abraham Maslow. So Abraham Maslow was a prominent psychologist who in the 1940s identified a simple and easily understandable set of needs which motivate all human beings. So he was born in April 1, 1908 in Brooklyn, New York, where he grew up in the first of seven children born to his Jewish parents who emigrated from Russia. So Maslow later described his early childhood as unhappy. So basically he was what? Unhappy. Okay? His childhood was very unhappy and lonely. He spent much of his time in the library immersed in books. Okay, so that is why he had given many contributions to in the field of psychology, right? Because he was most of the time he was very lonely, so that he got some free time and he have utilized well his free time, okay, and have contributed a lot in psychology, right? Maslow. So again we will now discuss about now Maslow hierarchy of needs theory. Okay, so this is how the table the figure look. Okay, this is like a pyramid, okay, triangle, and there are basically needs, physiological needs. There are eight kind of needs and they must be fulfilled. So human being first they fulfill all the needs serially, right? First physiological need is completed, then human beings move to the second need, safety need, belonging and love need. So man first one fulfill one need, then he jumps on to complete the next need, right? So this is a figure of Maslow's hierarchy of needs, right? So first, a brief description of need is shown in the following. So stage name and needs. Stage 1, physiological needs. So physiological needs like air, water, food, sleep. So first these needs are completed. Okay, a man gets air, water, food, sleep. So physiological needs has been fulfilled. Then he moved to the next stage, right? Next stage is what? Safety needs. Safety needs. In safety needs, what he will get? In safety needs, he will get what? Safety needs, you will get protection, stability, and uh, protection, stability, financial reserve, right? And in stage 3 what he will get? Social needs. So after safety needs get fulfilled, then he will move to social needs. Okay, ये सारा कुछ जो है ये ह्यूमन बीइंग्स के लिए फॉलो होती है. ह्यूमन बीइंग्स एक एक करके सारा नीड्स अपना पूरा करेगा. सो फर्स्ट वाला जो नीड है फिजियोलॉजिकल नीड, जैसे फूड शेल्टर ये सब मिल गया, देन ही विल मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट नीड, राइट? सेफ्टी नीड. देन ही विल मूव ऑन टू द सोशल नीड्स. सो इन सोशल नीड फैमिली, अफेक्शन, फ्रेंडशिप, ग्रुप्स. ओके, ये वाला नीड पूरा जैसे ही हो जाएगा, then he will move on to the next need. Next need is what? Esteem need. Okay, esteem need थोड़ा ब्लर है यहाँ पे, आप लोग समझ लो. esteem needs achievement, recognition, reputation. Okay, then he will move on to the next stage, that is self actualization. Self actualization. In self actualization he will get truth, wisdom, justice, satisfaction. Okay, ये सारा जैसे ही सेटिस्फाई होगा, देन क्या नेक्स्ट स्टेज में चले जाएगा आदमी, दैट इज कॉग्निटिव नीड्स. सो फ्रॉम बर्थ टू डेथ ये सारा नीड्स पूरा होते जाता है ह्यूमन बींग्स का नेक्स्ट स्टेज. ओके, कंसिक्वेंटली, in a serial manner, I mean. Then in knowledge and understanding, in cognitive needs, curiosity. Cognitive, you can relate something related with cognition, okay. And need for meaning, ये सब आ जाएगा curiosity. Exploration, predictability, ये सब आएगा cognitive needs में, right? And then moving on to the next, we have what kind of need? Stage 7. Okay, stage 7, aesthetic needs. Okay, aesthetic needs. In aesthetic need, you will get appreciation and search for beauty, balance, form, etc. And in next stage, that is stage 8, is transcendence needs. Transcendence, right? So transcendence, don't get confused with this word. There is the last stage of Maslow's hierarchy of need, transcendence. The needs include experiences with nature, mysticism, aesthetic and sexual experiences, faith, altruism, and the power of kindness, right? The power of kindness. So basically something related with nature, something related with mysticism, something related with aesthetic, right? Beauty, and the sensuality, the faith, the altruism, okay, these all character, and the power of kindness. So all these get into transcendence. Basically you remember something related with nature, transcendence needs, right? So so these are all the 8 stage which Maslow has said that, basically these needs must be completed for any human, right, in a consecutive manner, or in a consequently, right? uh, so uh, so conclusion, all these stages represent the life pattern of an individual from his or her birth to death in a chronological order, right? What I was saying, that consecutive means chronological order. First stage 1 if fulfilled, then he will move on to the next stage, then stage third 3, then stage 4, then stage 5, in this way. So this is a chronological order from birth to death human being follows, from stage 1 to stage 8, okay. So this is all about, so this, yeah, this triangle structure is very important, okay. This is, you can take screenshot of it, and you can remember when you are writing, when you have to write in your exam. So I will share one trick how to remember this, all the needs, okay, all these figure, how to remember, and all these needs. You can use mnemonics, right? PSBE and cast. PSBE cast. PSB, you can remember. P is for physiological need, S for safety need, B for belonging and love needs, E for esteem needs, and cast. PSBE cast, okay. So by this mnemonics you can remember this whole hierarchy of needs theory, right? PSBE cast, okay. So I hope guys this is very this is clear to you now, and I think that it is a very easy, needs easy theory to remember, okay. You can remember by the mnemonic tricks. So if this session is useful to you guys, then please do like, share and subscribe, okay, my channel, and give stay tuned, okay. Thank you.